All right, let's start. Okay. So for this question number 1, among those who have submitted your answers, let me just double check. Yes, all of you got this right because it's so easy, right? How to get this wrong. Okay. So can you type your answer into the chat, especially for those who have not submitted your answers? Right? So, okay, thank you, Zoe, for telling me the answer. Yeah, the rest, what's your answer? So over here, right, it's very clear cut that, okay, well done. I can see a lot of answers coming in. Good job, everyone. So I don't have a wrong answer, right? Thank you very much. Those of you who have submitted your answer, the answer is C. So this is very easy. All right, I will say almost all the students in Singapore will get this right. All right, because of the South Pole and North Pole. But let's say I change this to a open-ended section, booklet B. I change this question to booklet B and I ask everybody explain the answer. Can you type your answer into the chat? Explain why. All right, why is there a pull? Okay, so there's a pull force. All right, pulling each other. Okay, so can everybody type into the chat? How would you explain why there is a pull? Okay, good try, Darius. Good try, Eldon. The rest? Okay, good try, Bella. Good try, Grace. Not a single person has given me the perfect answer. All right, you're short 3 words in the middle. Let me see whether someone can give me 6 words in a sentence. Ken, you cannot say opposite sides. For minutes, right, we don't say opposite sides. All right, but good try, Ken. Okay, so it has something to do with the poles. We don't say sides. Okay, all right, so it is because one is a north pole, one is a south pole. Cannot write opposite. Ken, please don't write opposite. Okay, so it's not called opposite poles. It is called unlike poles. All right, unlike poles, not opposite poles. I know what you mean. One is north pole, one is south pole, right? So they're opposite, right? North and south, they're different, but you cannot use the word opposite. Okay, so do not use the word opposite poles. So let me write here. We are all here to learn from each other. All right, so we will thank each other for any mistakes. So don't write opposite poles. Instead, write unlike poles. All right, then you need 3 more words. Then most of you will know that unlike poles, attract. All right, that's why there's a pull force. However, not a single student has given me this. Can someone remember what is this? All right, what's these 3 words? Unlike poles, blank, 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 attract, full stop. What is that 3 words? No, good try, Jerome. Bella, well done. Bella is right. Clarice, well done. All right, the rest? Darius, your first word is spelled wrongly, is it? Last 2 words are correct. So it's each other. All right, each other, and is facing each other. All right, the unlike poles must face each other. They must look at each other, okay? So you have to remember that South Pole and North Pole, they are called unlike poles. Cannot write opposite poles. Can, please remember, cannot write opposite poles. Instead, write unlike poles, all right? So unlike poles, most students will write unlike poles attract, full stop. But then if the teacher is very strict, and a lot of teachers are now getting stricter in school marking, they are very strict for the school marking, you must have the word facing each other. So you will write this sentence, unlike poles facing each other, attract, full stop. Is everybody clear? All right, so this is what is happening. Let me highlight to you. So when you have one south pole and one north pole, so it means they are unlike poles and they are facing each other. They're like next to each other and they attract each other. Now, can everyone type a similar sentence for this part then? Can you type another sentence? A perfect sentence. Again, it is 6 words. A sentence with 6 words. Can you type into the chat? How about South Pole and South Pole? Give me a sentence here. All right, give me a 6 words sentence. Okay, excellent, Bella. The rest, I'm waiting. 6 word sentence. Give me one sentence with 6 words. It is very similar to the one I highlighted. Darius, you just give me 3 words and that is wrong. It's 6 words. Okay, well done, Irvi. Well done, Grace. The rest, 6 words. Look at the yellow highlighted words. You just have to change a little bit. All right, look at the yellow highlighted words. The yellow highlighted words got 6 words, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then full stop. All right, so can you give me a similar 6 words here for South Pole and South Pole? Okay, Ken, you just have to, it's a very good try, Ken. Just remove the very first letter. All right, remove the letter A. That is perfect already. Okay. Jerome, okay, it's fine, except that you don't use the word eat. Now, Jerome wrote eat will repel. What do you mean by eat? Never use the word eat. Okay, so I would like to thank Jerome for helping you learn. Okay, so for example, students will tend to write eat will repel as light poles. All right, face each other. That is the wrong one. Because I'm going to write, hang on, I'm going to say wrong. Let me use a red pen. Do not write eat. It refers to who? Do not use the word eat in science. All right, never use the word eat in science. All the science teachers will tell you the same thing because once you use eat, you don't even know what you're talking about. Are you saying the magnet will repel? It should be light poles. All right, light poles. Zoe, your third word is wrong, but good try. All right, so it should be this way. Let me erase this. It should be like poles instead of unlike poles just now, because south and south, they are the same letter. Like poles facing each other. All right, they are facing each other. They are next to each other and they repel. And then you put a full stop. Okay, so let me highlight this. Okay, so this one, the sentence to use is this. Like poles facing each other repel. So is everybody clear? If it's South Pole and North Pole, it means unlike poles. Unlike means they are different letters. One is capital N, one is capital S. It's different letters. So different letters use unlike poles. Cannot use opposite poles. So unlike poles facing each other, attract, full stop. If it's South and South, or I can change it to North and North, you will write like poles facing each other repel. Is everybody clear? All right. Sanvi, you're saying your teacher said not to say Eve, is it? Don't use Eve or eat. Do you mean eat or Eve? All right. Any questions based on this? Please learn to remember this 6-word sentence. All right, 6-word sentence. Okay. All right. If it depends on how you use Eve. All right, Sanvi. Okay, but thanks for sharing. All right, question 2. Function of a leaf. Those of you who submitted the answers, well done. All right, so leaf is to make food. I would prefer the word make. Okay, now this question is so easy that I would like to ask many other questions. All right, let's talk about roots. Can everybody give me the function of the roots? All right, give me the function of the roots. Type it into the chat, please. I have 12 students here. Very good try from Jerome and Eldon. Very good try from Grace. Very good try from Envy. Good try from Bella. I don't have a perfect answer yet. Ken, you have a misconception, but good try. Okay, thank you for trying, Xander, but not perfect yet. Right, so first function is absorb. All right, absorb what? Absorb, remember the W is water. Inverted W, the letter W upside down will be letter M, right? You know, look at my 3 fingers, W and M. All right, W and M. Okay, good. Very good second function, Bella. All right, so absorb water and minerals. Most of you write full stop. You put a full stop here, which is wrong. It should be absorbed from where? Absorb from the air on top. The roots absorb water from where? The roots absorb minerals from where? From where? From the soil, either from the soil or from the ground. So please be very clear in your answer. Don't just tell me absorb water and minerals. From where? Where does the water and minerals come from? Second function is hold. All right. Hold the plant. All right. Hold the plant. Then there's an F word. Hold the plant what? To the soil or to the ground? What is this F word? Anyone? Can you type into the chat? Hold the plant what to the soil? Okay, good job, Jerome. Any others? Good job, Ken. Anyone else? The F word. Okay, good job, Zoe, Clarice. If I miss out on your name, don't be upset. Okay, good job, Grace. Good job, Samvi. Just a spelling. Good job, Darius. Firmly. If I miss your name, don't be upset. Hold the plant firmly to the soil. Okay, now do not get mixed up with another function, which is the stem. Stem. Okay, now for stem, right? One function is starting with stem start with letter S. So there's also another letter S. Can you all give me the function of the stem that start with letter S? Stem is S. So another function of the stem also start with S. Can you type your function of the stem into the chat, please? What is the function of the stem? Okay, no worries. Now, if I'm lagging, please let me know. If everyone is studying, or most of you think that I'm lagging, let me know. All right, if it's just one person, then maybe that person will have to leave the chat room and come in again. I'll leave the Zoom room and come in again. Okay. No, Sambi, letter S. Okay. Support. All right, the stem support the plant. All right, upright. So that the plant can get more sunlight. Okay, support the plant upright. Okay. So just now, Ken, I think was Ken. Ken, you got mixed up. So when I was asking you for what is the function of the roots, you type into the chat, and many students have the same misconception. Many students have the same wrong idea. They will write, hold the plant upright. No, roots don't hold the plant upright. Roots hold the plant firmly to the soil. But the stem support the plant upright. All right, the stem support the plant upright. Is everybody clear? Okay, now what is another function of the stem? Let's start with T. After the next letter, if you sing an ABC song, after S is T, right? It's like a MRT. MRT is a type of what? What is the T word? MRT what system? Anyone? Thank you. Transport. MRT transport system, right? So what does the stem transport? The stem will transport water from minerals. From where to where? Right, from where to where? From where does the water come from? Okay, from the roots. The roots will absorb the water. After the roots absorb water, the next job will be done by the stem. From the roots, all right, to all parts of plant. Okay, to all parts of plant. Okay, I have to make it smaller, otherwise I got no space. All right, so from roots to all parts of plant. All right, everywhere. Okay, so it transports water from where to where? From roots to all parts of the plant, and it transports water and minerals. Okay, so these are all the keywords. It also transports one more thing. Other than transporting water and minerals, it transports, what is this F word? Anyone? 4-letter F word, but not vulgarity. What is this F word? What else does a stem transport other than water and minerals? Okay. Is it a typo error, Bella? Okay, well done, Jerome. Okay, Xander, Ken. Yes, Bella, now good job. Transport food. From where to where? Can everybody type into the chat? From where to where? So the stem will help to transport food from where to where? Who made the food first? From where to where? All right, from where to where? Right. Darius, it is a wrong idea. Good job. Grace, but the last part is wrong. So who made food? Okay, good job, Bella. Which part of the plant made food? Is the leaves, right? So after the leaves made the food, the stem will transport the food from the leaves to everywhere. All right, to all parts of the plant, everywhere, including roots also, everywhere. So you need to tell me from where to where. So again, the keyword is transport. All right. So please remember, always tell me. All right. So here, don't get mixed up. So you see, roots absorb water. After the roots absorb the water, all right, then the stem will do the next job. The stem will then transport the water. Just now was absorb water. Here is transport water.